Hi, Rob Pyne here, talking to you from the suburb of White Rock in South Cairns, tropical Far North Queensland. The suburb of White Rock's been around for a long time. It draws its name from a big white rock in the mountain range behind me that you can see at certain times. This suburb is the traditional lands of the Gimwe Wallabara Yidinji people, and I think the White Rock itself is called Mundigunji by the Yidinji people. This park is Back Park. It's in the heart of White Rock. It tragically will go for a major highway upgrade, but if we spin around, I think the old petrol station you can see there is one of the oldest buildings in White Rock. The settlement was established here a long time ago when the railway line led development up the coast. But let's go and look at other parts of White Rock. Let's start with the local school. We're now outside White Rock State School. It's a wonderful little state school. It's got a number of things going for it. Beautiful historic shady trees out the front, and a beautiful green expanse is out the back of the school where kids can play, kick a ball and do all that. And right next door they've got the White Rock kindergarten. There's a lot of efficiencies having the kindy and the school co-located. Also, if you come down a bit further, we've got a bus stop. And if you pan around, you'll see where the new overpass is going in. So there'll be a new vehicle and pedestrian overpass that'll make cycling and pedestrian activity safe over to the neighbouring suburb of Mount Sheridan. We've now gone down to Reys Park. The Reys family is an old Indigenous family that's been in White Rock forever. Indeed, Frankie Reys was the first Aboriginal jockey to win the Melbourne Cup. I think it was on the horse Gala Supreme in 1973. So we wanted to acknowledge the Reys family, and this park was a great way to do it. There's some beautiful open space here, a lovely basketball court and other facilities. Certainly Reys Park is one of the great places for kids to play and have some recreation here in White Rock. We've now gone further down Progress Road to the White Rock Shopping Centre. Progress Road is the main drag in White Rock. So behind is the shops, the commercial heart of White Rock, if you like. There's a number of local shops there, and across the road is Trinity Anglican School. So that's one of the wealthiest schools in the area, so a bit ironic that it's here in the working class suburb of White Rock, but that's where the rich folks sent their kids to school. So having looked at that, the other things you should know, there's a retirement village down the south end of White Rock and the mighty Leichhardt Lions Soccer Club. But for now, we're going to finish up by having a quick look at Carlu Park. Welcome to Carlu Park in the heart of White Rock. There's some beautiful mature trees around the perimeter of this park, which also has a vast expanse of green lawn for children to play and kick a ball. I would encourage you to send your kids down to Carlu Park. It's a really safe park for them to play. There's also swings further down and more mature trees as well. And Carlu Park's named after a long-term White Rock family. It was named in honour of them, and it's a great resource for the local community. So make sure you find time to come down and enjoy Carlu Park.